everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be working on a Mini, not mine but Chelsea's again. She needs new tyres putting on it desperately. So in the meantime we're going to swap the wheels that are or were on my Mini for the ones on her Mini. They'll fit, they're all brand new, no, the back two are brand new and the front two are probably part worn by now, a couple of maybe 5mm left. They're not too old, so we're going to swap them now onto her car. I wanted to do this as a bit of a video, just more so as a bit of a chat and a bit of a catch up about what's been going on and whatever else, and also just bring you along with some things that I'm doing on a Sunday. First of all, I'm going to grab the one wheel that's still on the car. Yeah, one. And then I'm going to bring them outside where we're going to work on Chelsea's car. We can't bring the car into the unit because somebody's parked in front of the door and we don't know who it is. So yeah, I'm going to get that wheel off, get them outside and get cracking. So I do obviously want to talk about the lack of uploads recently. I've just been busy and I still am very busy. I've changed jobs. I wasn't happy where I was. So I've moved, and at the end of the day, you know, the happiness of myself at work, you know, is the place I spend 8 hours a day, every day, 5 days a week. I need to be happy at work, so I've moved, and I'm a lot happier where I am now. That has taken up a lot of my time, not necessarily the whole moving jobs situation. I've been in my new job a week now, but the whole sort of stress and pressure and how I've been feeling whilst at my previous workplace has just made me completely unmotivated to do anything, and I think it's going to take me a little while to get back into the swing of coming and working on the cars and, you know, stuff like that. I've had a pretty rough year, so you'll have to cut me a bit of slack, but yeah, I obviously want to get that piece of shit back up and running. As you can see, the engine's on a stand there. We finished doing all the works to it. I don't know whether I recorded it. I really can't remember. It's on this SD card here if I did, so you might see a video about it in a couple of weeks. But yeah, I just wanted to apologise for the radio silence. I've just been busy and not motivated to make videos and to work on cars in general. I've done a bits here and there working on cars, and I've just not recorded it. We did brake pads all round for Tyler's new Lexus last weekend, but I really just didn't feel like putting myself in front of the camera for it. So yeah, we're back today. Like I said, we're going to sort Chelsea's wheels out because the tyres are in a bad way. So yeah, before she gets points, let's get them changed. So I'm just going to do the usual, break it off first. I think I had already loosened these with the intention of taking them off before. There we go. And I'm going to just jack up the back side of the car. Let's take these off. Well, isn't that in a sorry state? There's a caliper here. Good job on replacing them. Cool. Let's go out to Chelsea's Mini. Alright, let's break apart these. Cool. How do we think Chelsea's car will look with the black wheels on? I think they look quite cool. So as you may be able to see, the tread is very low. It's just slightly above these little tabs, which show you when it's down to the limit. This side is down and wearing, but this side is still above, ever so slightly. So it does show that the tracking is doing. But yeah, uneven wear, ever so slightly. So it just needs tracking, which we've never had the car tracked. So yeah, it's not too bad. So let's get them swapped. So other than the rim itself being extremely dirty, these are brand new tyres. I think they've done 30 miles, literally from my house to the unit, MOT station, back to the unit, so maybe 50 miles. So they are spot on. So we're going to chuck them on now. I just realised you saw absolutely none of that, because I had the camera pointing the wrong way. But wheels on, slow it down and get it torqued up. So the wheels need to be torqued to 120 Newton meters. Which is there. Now when you are torquing up wheels, you want to be careful to not use an extension, hence why I've not used this one, because the extension will take up some of the force, so just use a longer socket. There we have it. There's one wheel. So to save a bit of time, I'm going to go around, do the rest, and I'll catch back up with you. So the 4 wheels are on. I think it looks really nice, the black wheels and the white actually. It does need to settle a bit, hence why it looks like a monster truck. I haven't actually driven it yet after jacking it up. But all 4 wheels are on, torqued up, all nice and tight. I'm just going to give it a quick blast with the jet wash, because the wheels are filthy, and also the car itself, despite what the camera makes it look, is absolutely bogging. So I'm just going to pull it forward a bit, and we're going to give it a blast with the jet wash. So there you have it, Chelsea's car is now clean with fresh tyres and fresh wheels. What do we think to the wheels? I really like them. Looks better now it's clean. It is visibly cleaner. The roof is still a bit dirty, even though I spent a lot of time on it. But yeah, I might take it to one of them drive-in places and get the brush on it. I'm not too fussed about the paint work because it's not the best anyway, so the brush isn't the end of the world. But yeah, quite pleased with that. So, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I appreciate it's not very mechanically, but it's a bit more of an update. Just wanted to show you a bit of what I was doing as well. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'm sorry it took me so long to upload a video, but I'm hoping to bring a few more out now. I was saying that I was going to do a video every 2 weeks, but to be honest, I just don't think I'll have the time to keep up with that. So I'm aiming for once a month, ideally twice a month, but I will let you know on Instagram when I'm uploading. So if you go and give me a follow, @GrindingGearsOfficial, and you'll be able to see when I'm uploading, because I'll post a story. Hopefully we'll get my Mini sorted soon, although I can't make any promises. I would like to see it back on the road before the end of the year, but I somewhat doubt that. But other than that, thank you for watching. We are at 699 subscribers, so we're one away from 700. So make sure you share this video with all your friends so we can get to the magical 700. I do appreciate all of the support this far, and hopefully we can hit 1,000 early next year is my ideal goal. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, hit subscribe, check all the links down in the description, and I shall see you in the next one.